Well, yeah, I got a problem. Can't seem to keep my head above the clouds. I've been looking for a pick-me-up, but I find myself chief in what I used to pass around. It gets me where I want to go. For a while I'm on a roll, but then I hit the wall. Life used to be a ball, but it's hard to get high like I did before. One hit is all I used to take. Damn near give me a nervous break. But now if I smoke one, I smoke one more. It's hard to get high like I did before. Yeah, cold beer drives me crazy. It takes a patient man to catch a buzz. And I got no love for red wine. It just reminds me of the time that she made me give it up. When I grab a stool and stick around, I strictly take my liquor brown. Then everybody sees how good a time I had to me. 'Cause it's hard to get high like I did before. One whiskey had me feeling fine, and three is where I drew the line. But I finally feel free when I hit four. 'Cause it's hard to get high like I did before. Come on, man. It's hard to get high like I did before. 'Cause I messed around with good time girls, but nothing really rocked my world the way you blew my mind behind closed doors. Now it's hard to get high like I did before. It's hard to get high, yeah, like I did before. Come on, come on. It's hard to get high. It's so hard to get high. Thank you so much.
Brad Tursi right there, baby.